4ാം ക്ലാസ്സിലുള്ള എൻ്റെ എല്ലാ കുഞ്ഞുമക്കളും കൂടെ ചേർന്നുള്ളൊരു ചെറിയ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പ്ലേ കണ്ടാലോ? എല്ലാവരും അവരെ അനുഗ്രഹിക്കണേ. അപ്പോൾ ശരി.
Good morning, dears. Good morning, teacher. Sit down. Thank you, teacher. Excuse me, teacher. May I come in? Yes, come in. Why are you late? My bus was late. That's I am late. Okay, go to seat. Thank you, teacher. Have you completed your homework? Yes, teacher. Oh, nice. Then collect the notebooks. Okay, bye students. See you in the next class. Bye bye teacher. Good morning dears. Good morning teacher. How are you today? We are fine teacher. Excuse me teacher, may I have some water please? Sure Adidev. Please open your book to page 16 and read the text. Excuse me teacher, what does the word need mean for? The word need stand for one. For example, I want some water. Okay teacher, thank you. Now let's write some notes. Excuse me teacher, I don't have a pencil. May I borrow one from my classmate? Yes, you may, but borrowing is not fair. Don't repeat it again. Sorry teacher, I won't repeat. Children, be quiet and pay attention. The bell rings. It's break time. Enjoy the break. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye, teacher. Would you like to go play area? Yes. Let me have my snacks. I am very hungry.
അവിടെ പോയിട്ട് ഓണാക്കിയത് ഇവിടെ ഓണാക്കിയ കേട്ടോ അവിടെ പോയിട്ട് ഓണാക്കാം ഇവിടെ ഓണാക്കിയ
The bell rings. The break is over. What class is next? It's sports. Don't you like? Yes, I like playing. The bell rings. Lunch break. Let us go for lunch. Oh, hurry up. I am starving. The bell rings. How is your lunch today? It is delicious. I like very much. How is your? It's good but bit spicy. But I ate it all since I was very hungry. Bell ring. Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, teacher. Now let's do some exercise. Do you have one queries? I don't understand. Can you help me to solve? Oh, sure. Didn't learn the multiplication table? Yes, I learned. Tell the multiplication table. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 8. You are well done. Bell ring. The school is over. It's time to go home. Yes, let's meet tomorrow. Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, children.
പത്ത് വയസ്സിന് താഴെയുള്ള കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളാണ് അവരെ അനുഗ്രഹിക്കണം, പ്രോത്സാഹിപ്പിക്കണം.